Guys, look at this absolutely spectacular Honda CRF450X. This is basically a brand new motorcycle. It's got well under 1,000 miles. The gentleman I bought it off of was a couple years older than me, in his mid-60s, and bought it brand new and registered it for the street and only rode it mainly on the street and some trails. It was never dragged through the rough New England rocks and trails, and the bike shows like it just came out of the box in 2015. This bike has got a full page of upgrades on it. Some of them very obvious, some of them not. I've got them all written down here so I don't forget any of them. But the most obvious of them is the street legal kit on it. It has a full headlight, turn signals, tail light, and horn. It's completely street legal. It has a title. It has a license plate mount on the back. We put one of the Kaplan Cycles plates on here, which is unique for this model because this was an off-road and enduro model. So he went through the great effort that it takes to make this thing street legal. It has a brand new battery in it, and it also has a battery tender lead right here, so you're supposed to plug it in after your ride and keep the battery charged. It's a small battery. The bike came from the factory with the 18-inch rear wheel, 21-inch front, set up for off-road use. You can still see this is the original sticker on the swing arm, which is unheard of. They're usually, power washed off or scratched up. The swing arm looks brand new. The sprocket on this motorcycle is I'm 99% sure this is the original sprocket. I know the chain is brand new. I know the rear tire is brand new. We just put that on. It's a Pirelli Scorpion XC. The original tire was 10 years old and probably getting a little hard, the compound. And this one's brand spanking new. The Wizard just put this on. This thing's been completely Wizard tuned top to bottom. The suspension was also done by Factory Connection. He weighed 230 pounds, so I'm 220, so it's about right for me. It's stiff and set up the right way. The bike, also the other clue on the other side of the bike that you might have seen was the REKLUSE clutch. This is an automatic clutch, which means you can pull up to a stoplight or be on a trail in third gear, come to a total stop without putting the clutch in, and then accelerate away from a stop in second or third gear. It's the clutch still works like a normal clutch. You pull it in and disengage it, but the REKLUSE clutch is kind of like cheating when you're riding off-road. It just makes it so much easier. And it's a very expensive upgrade. The clutch itself is around $1,300, $1,400. Then you're looking at a few hours of shop labor to install it and get it dialed in perfectly. And this one's done. You can see the kicker has been polished. That's not chrome. That's polished aluminum. Bike is in showroom, brand new condition with extremely low miles on it. It also has a full aluminum bash plate on the bottom here. That's a $200 upgrade right there. It does have the REKLUSE cover on the clutch also. The Baja Designs headlight, turn signals, and everything are in brand new condition. The front fender is brand new. The fork guards are brand new. The brake protector is brand new, and it has a brand new matching Pirelli Scorpion XC front tire. These are street legal tires, guys. These are the most aggressive DOT branded tires you can possibly get. The gold Showa 49 millimeter forks still look like brand new. Seals are new. The chrome is perfect on it. The bars, Wizard put these on. It's his favorite. Ben, the CR High, twin wall bars with the Pro Taper bar mounts, aluminum bar mounts. The grips are brand new ODI grips. Wizard put a brand new set of mirrors on there. So it's ready to ride it down the street, to the trail, or wherever you want to go. All the fluids in the bike are new. The brake fluid, the coolant, the engine oil is new. He flushed the fuel tank. We're running non-ethanol VP fuel in it. He also rebuilt the fuel petcock. He cleaned, set, and adjusted the carburetor and installed the JD jet kit. They come very, very lean from the factory. So he put the jet kit on there. You can, as evidenced by the video, the thing runs spectacular. It's a wheelie monster. This thing will wheelie in every gear pretty much effortlessly. The rear brake pads are brand new. He also cleaned the air box and put a new air filter in it. He removed the valve cover and checked the valves. They were in perfect spec, indicating the very low mileage of the bike. The valves did not need to be adjusted. He installed the new spark plug, the new Pro X gold chain, the new DOT legal tires and tubes front and rear, the new mirrors. He also installed the new front fender, rear fender, new fork guards, new side panels, new airbox cover, and a new mud flap back here. So all the plastics on the bike look brand new because they are brand new. The bike's exactly like it would have looked if you bought it in the showroom and then added $2,500 worth of upgrade parts to it. So it was given a full professional detail. It was steam cleaned, hand washed. The wheels were polished. All the raw metal was polished. The foot pegs and the kickstand were repainted and the muffler was polished. So it's really ready to roll it into the museum and just put it on display, or take it out and ride it cross country, whatever floats your boat. Some real tasty upgrades on this bike. The plastics and graphics are all new. It's everything I already mentioned, and a couple things I didn't mention. The graphics are by Steiger Designs. Christy did this graphic set, full custom graphic set for it. Looks spectacular. It also has a thermometer on here, and it has a cooling fan. So if you're stuck in traffic on the radiator, it'll keep it running nice and cool. You can see the original factory badge is still intact, indicating the 2015 date code. That's about it. If you're looking for a brand new condition 450X that's street legal, which means you can ride it down the pits or to the track or to the race and then ride it home, well, your ship just came in. If you've ever tried to make an off-road bike street legal, you realize how valuable this conversion is, and to have a street legal title. It's already been done. It's thousands of dollars of pain and suffering trying to do that yourself. It's already done. It's got the REKLUSE clutch, the new tires, chains, and sprockets. It's Wizard tune, electric start, and ready to go. Some cool touches Wizard does, like these drilled washers that he puts on the tank. Real attention to detail. And I really enjoyed riding this bike. It's a wheelie monster for sure. If you have any questions about it, give us a call. Thanks for watching. God bless America.